Hi guys, are you dreaming of a successful career in pharmaceutical industry? Your B.Pharm and M.Pharm academic project could be a golden ticket to stepping into the professional world. Why is this important? In today's competitive pharma job market, having hands-on industry experience gives you a significant edge. An industry-linked project not only enhances your practical knowledge but also builds your network with professionals, making you job ready from day one. In this video, I will guide you through simple step-by-step process to achieve your B.Pharm or M.Pharm project while collaborating with industry experts. Stay with us till the end to learn the secrets to making your project stand out and impressing the industry professionals. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe Pharma Portal for more pharma insights. Are you wondering why you should choose an industry project for your B.Pharm or M.Pharm? Here is why it is a game changer. First, it gives you a hand-on exposure to real-world pharma challenges, things you won't find in the textbooks. You also get to build a network with industry professionals, opening the doors for the opportunities you might not even know existed. An industry project adds practical experience to your resume, make you stand out during the job interviews. It even boosts your chances of landing a job right after graduation as company values candidates with real-world exposure. Most importantly, it helps you apply your classroom knowledge to solve real life problems, and that's what being a professional is all about. Now let's see how to identify the right topic. First, focus on the trending industry needs. Topics like drug formulation and development, regulatory documentation, pharmacovigilance, or clinical trials are always in demand and highly valued by the industry. Pick a topic that aligns with your interest and career goals. Ask yourself, do I see myself working in a drug development, clinical research, or regulatory affairs? Your project can set the foundation for your future career. Don't do it alone. Discuss potential topics with your professors or industry mentors. Their guidance can help you narrow down your options and choose a topic with practical relevance. Here is a pro tip. Check the latest pharma research papers or industry white papers. They are a gold mine for inspiration and will keep your project relevant and cutting edge. Now let us see how to join with the right industry. Connecting with the right industry is the key, and here is how you can do it. Start by reaching out to local pharmaceutical companies in your area. Many companies welcome students for projects, and this can be your gateway to real world experience. Use LinkedIn to connect with HR professionals, research scientists, or project managers. A well written message or connection request can open your doors you never imagined. Don't miss out the pharma conferences, workshops, or webinars. These events are packed with industry professionals and they are perfect place to network and explore opportunities. Your alumni network is another goldmine. Reach out to your seniors from your college who are already working in the pharma industry. They are often willing to guide you and recommend you for projects. Finally, draft a professional email to introduce yourself and pitch your project area. Be clear, concise, and highlight how your project could add value to the company. Getting your project approved is a critical step, but it all starts with a well prepared proposal. Begin by preparing a detailed project proposal. Make sure it includes a clear objectives like what do you aim to achieve, proposed methods or study design, and how will you carry out during your project, and the expected outcomes and benefits. Why is this important to the industry? Once your proposal is ready, present it to your academic department and your industry mentor. Be confident and articulate and ready to explain why your project matters. Finally, be open to the feedback. Take their suggestions seriously and refine your plan and ensure it aligns with your both academic and industry expectations. Now that your project proposal is approved, how do you actually conduct it? First, collaborate closely with your industry mentor and team. They are your guides in navigating the projects and will ensure you are on the right track. Always follow the industry practices and follow the GLP or GMP practices. These standards ensure your work is accurate, reliable, and meets the industry requirements. Make it a habit to document your findings meticulously. Whether it's lab observations, results, or protocols, a well documented project is the key to success and easy to present. To analyze your data, use statistical tools like SPSS, Excel, or any other relevant software. This adds depth to your project and makes your findings more credible. Use visualization techniques or PowerPoint presentations and share the updates on the projects in regular intervals or milestones. Finally, maintain a regular communication with your academic supervisor, update them on your progress, and seek their advice when needed to avoid all the roadblocks. Let us now see what are the key challenges and how to overcome them. Time management. Balancing your academic workload and project deadlines can be tough, but planning ahead is the key. Use a simple schedule to stay on track and give each task the attention that it deserves. Access to industry resources. Getting the right resource can be challenging, but here's the secret. Build relationships with industry mentors early. They can guide you, provide you access to the valuable materials, and open the door for future opportunities. Third, the technical knowledge gaps. Not every concept will be very clear right away, but don't let that slow you down. Take online courses or reach out to your academic guides for advice. There are plenty of resources to fill those gaps. Fourth would be the regulatory hurdles. Every country has its own set of regulations. Learn the basics like the FDA in the US or CDSCO in India. These will keep your project compliant and professional. By tackling these challenges head on, you'll not only complete the industry project successfully, but also get ready for a bright future in the pharmaceutical industry. Now let us see how to be ready to present your B.Pharm or M.Pharm project like a pro. Create a professional project report. Your report is your chance to showcase all your hard work. Structure it with an abstract to summarize your work, an introduction to set your stage, a methodology to explain how you did it, a result to highlight your findings, a discussion to interpret them, and a conclusion to wrap it all up. Use clear visuals. Don't just rely on words. Use graphs, charts, and tables to make your data come alive. Clear visuals make your findings easy to understand and impress your audience. Practice your presentation skills, whether it's a Viva or an industry seminar. Practicing your presentation is crucial. Speak clearly, stay confident, and know your project inside out. Be prepared for your technical questions. Expect the questions from audience and make sure you're ready. Brush up on the technical aspects of your project and be confident when answering. With these steps, your project report and presentation will be nothing short of impressive. Want to make your B.Pharm or M.Pharm project truly stand out? Here's how you can shine brighter than the rest. Highlight your novel findings. If you have uncovered something new or unique in your project, don't keep it to yourself. Make sure you emphasize these findings. They could be the game changer that sets your project apart. Showcase real world impact. How does your project solve a real world problem? Whether it is improving a process or addressing a current gap, showing the practical value of your work makes it even more impressive. Add certifications and training. Did you complete any certifications or extra training during your project? Mention them. These additional skills show your commitment and help your project stand out to employers. Leverage your project in job interviews. Your project is a great talking point during the interviews. Highlight the skills that you gained, the challenges you overcame, and the real world problem you tackled. It's a perfect way to demonstrate your expertise and passion. With these tips, your project won't be just a report. It will be your ticket to impress the industry professionals and potential employers. Your B.Pharm or M.Pharm project can be a game changer if done right. By following these steps, you're setting yourself for success in the pharmaceutical industry. We would love to hear from you. Share your project ideas or any challenges you're facing in the comments below. So thanks for watching and good luck with your project. Hope you learned some new information from this video. Comment the topics that you'd like to know more in detail, and I will make a separate video that has more likes. Encourage us by hitting the like button and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and hit the bell button to receive notifications from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.